Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. Today we will learn how to correct the settings of mobile according to TrackHr. For that, first of all you have to open TrackHr. After that there is an option of 3 bars on the home side. If you click there, a menu will be shown to you. Last of all you have to go to App Info there. This battery option will be shown to you in App Info. Here you will see everything which you have to correct. So first of all you will click on battery optimization and allow it here. Then one setting has been corrected. Next is auto start. Then it will take you to the settings of the mobile. Then here you can also search auto start or auto launch. Every person's mobile comes with different web which is supposed to auto launch inside it. You will click on auto launch. Here you will find TrackHr. You have to enable it. Auto launch and auto start. You have to always keep it enabled. There is also setting of app management here. You will track here and search here. But we'll go on permission. Within the permissions, some permissions are allowed, some are not allowed. Camera permission. If you click a photo from a camera and share it inside TrackHr, then you will have to keep this permission for that. Next time location. To ensure that your location is correct, you will have to keep it allowed all the time. Next time microphone. If you are sharing an audio file inside tracking, you will have to keep it allowed for that also. Next photos and video. If you are sharing something from the gallery, then you will have to keep it allowed for that. So these were the basic settings noise. After this you will back out from here and go to the TrackHr screen again. We have made the settings. Battery optimization auto start. Third one, this battery saver. As soon as you click on battery saver, here you have to go to more settings. In more settings, click on optimized battery usage and search for TrackHr here. Always ask has been placed here. You do not have to optimize it. Next is the app battery management. Here also you will search the same TrackHr and here there is allow for ground activity. You have to keep it enabled. Allow background activities. You have to keep this also enabled. This means that if you close your application from the tab, it will still run in the background, which will make your kilometers accurate. You could have turned on auto launch from here also, and you could have done it by searching there also. Whatever you have found in the settings of your mobile, you can do it from there. With basic settings, you can correct all the settings of your mobile and your kilometers will also be accurate. In these few simple steps you can make TrackHr work efficiently in your phone.